Welcome to Concordia University, Wisconsin. My name is Dr. Scott Van Ornum, and I am the Assistant Director of the Master of Science in Product Development program. I'm so glad you are here to learn about the two concentrations in our MPD program, Pharmaceutical Product Development and Chemical Product Development. Our MPD program is one-of-a-kind, industry-oriented Master of Science program that prepares students to enter the product development pipeline after graduation. This hybrid curriculum prepares students for the realistic needs of the fast-paced product development industry. In addition to didactic coursework, students hone in on a particular interest by completing a thesis project either on campus or with one of our industry partners. Students in the Master of Science in Product Development program's pharmaceutical and chemical concentrations can expect a rigorous but rewarding journey that includes small class sizes, ample one-on-one time with our world-class faculty, open communication with our knowledgeable administrative and research staff, and access to a large variety of state-of-the-art instruments and equipment. Our chemical product development concentration focuses on drug discovery work. Students in the chemical concentration focus on traditional chemistry and instrumentation principles as a way of creating and validating potential new active pharmaceutical ingredients, streamlining complex synthesis, analyzing the shelf life of active pharmaceutical ingredients, or designing cost-effective synthetic routes. This concentration typically attracts chemistry majors. All of our concentration alumni are working in the field at institutions such as the National Institute of Health, Millipore Sigma, PPD, Sargento, and Albany Molecular Research Incorporated. Our pharmaceutical product development concentration focuses on drug development work. Students in the pharmaceutical concentration focus on learning how to develop assays to test potentially new APIs, testing the solubility of lead compounds, developing formulations, or studying the stability of compounds of interest. This concentration typically attracts biology or biochemistry majors. Just like with the chemical concentration, all of our pharmaceutical concentration alumni are working in the field and can be found at institutions such as Pfizer, AbbVie, Merck, IQVIA, and Covance.
So my name is Chris Cunningham. I'm an associate professor of pharmaceutical sciences at Concordia University, Wisconsin School of Pharmacy. I'm a medicinal chemist, and I have been here at Concordia since 2011. I teach in our School of Pharmacy. I teach pharmacology and medicinal chemistry, and I also teach in the Masters of Product Development program. I teach a course on the drug discovery and development process that all of our students take at the beginning of their careers in MPD. So research in my lab is dedicated to drug discovery at the very beginning part of the drug discovery and development process. I'm most interested in drugs that affect the brain. So I'm interested in pain, stress, anxiety, and I'm also interested in drug abuse and dependence disorders. So understanding why people take medicines, why people take illicit drugs, and how can we make medicines that are better, that are more selective or more targeted towards treating their pain or their stress, and that will have less incidence of side effects.
My name is Castillo. I'm a professor in the pharmacy school at the pharmaceutical science. My background is in natural product chemistry. I've been here in Concordia for the last almost 8 years, and I have a pretty intense background. I started doing research on my own, and then I was contracted by a company, and I started working with them right after getting my college degree. And then I continued my education, and I got my PhD, my master's and my PhD. So I teach different courses in the MPD, mainly at the beginning. And also I'm an avid researcher, and I love to do analytical work. So it's a combination of many worlds together, so that's me.
Hi, my name is Lacey, and I am a second-year PharmD and MPD student. I chose Concordia because I wanted to be able to pursue both my dreams of being a pharmacist and also going into research. And Concordia has really helped me to achieve my dream of that. I also want to mention that the professors here are very supportive. Anytime that I need help with anything, they're willing to assist me. And also being in a faith-based community has really helped with my schooling as well.
Hi, my name is Matthew, and I'm in the MPD program, Chemical Concentration at Concordia University. The reason I chose this program was due to the smaller class sizes, which really allow you to get to know your professors and have a more personalized learning experience.
Hi, my name is Kylie and I am a student at Concordia in the Masters of Science Product Development program, and I am doing the pharmaceutical concentration. For my master's thesis project at Concordia, I have been working with a startup pharmaceutical company that is working on developing a drug related to women's health. This has really prepared me for potentially starting my own startup company someday or working for a larger pharmaceutical company. This is because our classes are a strong blend of lab sciences as well as traditional business classes.
My name is Mary Phillips. I'm the Student Success Advisor for the MPD program at Concordia University. I enjoy meeting with students, setting you up on your path of success, and getting you registered for your classes.
So my name is Terry Eleanor Reed. If you like to say Dr. Reed, that's fine, but I'm okay with Terry Eleanor Reed. I am an assistant professor here at the School of Pharmacy at Concordia University, Wisconsin. Even though I lecture mostly in the School of Pharmacy, I also lecture in the MPD program. I like to lecture in the MPD program because of my love of research, and the MPD program really hones in on research. So I love to have students in the lab, and I love to teach in that setting. So the MPD gives me that opportunity. Being from another country myself, and was previously an international student, I like the fact that the MPD program can offer an education to international students as well. So we work closely with the international office to ensure that international students can easily transition into our MPD program. So lots of my teaching involves medicinal chemistry or drug discovery lectures, and talking a lot about drugs, how they come about, their function, their mechanism of action, why is it that we have side effects of drugs. And then my second passion, which is research, I do a lot of that as well, and have many collaborators from different universities, for example, University of Maryland, and I also collaborate with companies as well, and some local collaborators, and most importantly, we collaborate within our school as well. I collaborate with Dr. Springer and Fidelio Castillo, who you may have seen before. But what I like about the design of the MPD program is that it offers both a scientific and a business pathway. Typically, scientists don't get the opportunity to study any form of business, even though we may have some entrepreneurial desires. So I like the fact that the MPD program offers this to scientists, and you get that type of a dual degree, all at once.
My name is Adebola. I'm a student of MPD, Pharmaceutical Concentration. The reason I chose this course is because I wanted to be a clinical research scientist, and I believe Concordia University will be able to give me the full the knowledge, the understanding, and the resources that I need to achieve this goal. I had my first degree in pharmacy from the University of Lagos, Nigeria. And upon coming to the United States, I had done my research to see which school would give me the knowledge that I needed to, to pursue my career as a clinical research scientist. And I stumbled on Concordia University, and I feel so far the faculty here is they are resourceful, they are deep in terms of knowledge, they give a lot of information, and they are friendly, and I must confess that they have been helpful all along, and for me this is the best place to be, and I'm sure someday I will come here to do my doctorate.
Hello, my name is Kelsey Marquardt. I am the International Admissions and Retention Coordinator here at Concordia University, Wisconsin and Ann Arbor. It's my job to help process applications and help students move through the application process successfully, especially since the MPD program is a strenuous program. They have high standards, and that means we're looking at the best international students to become part of the program. For these students in particular, they are going to be supported not just in the application process, but then in addition, once they are in the program as well. So our office helps with making sure international students are supported with their visa requirements, making sure they are in good status, and then also helping them with things like the STEM OPT extension that you are eligible for as an international student of the MPD program. That's really helpful for students, especially when it comes time to apply for positions after graduation. And we have had some wonderful international student graduates who are now working in very good fields that will help them in their careers.
Hi, my name is Brian Curry. I'm the Assistant Dean of the Batterman School of Business and the Director of the MPD program. And you just spent time listening to individuals speak about the Masters of Product Development program. I just want to let you know that personally I've spent over 30 years combining science and business and has really given me a competitive advantage. So I'm excited that you're looking at our program, but please, whatever you do, whether you come to us or somewhere else, please stay hungry for knowledge and thirsty for wisdom.
For a detailed explanation of our admissions requirements, please visit our program page on the Concordia University website. We would also love it if you followed our @CUWMPD pages on Instagram and Facebook.